Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Volvo timing system is simplicity itself. Only two gears and nothing to adjust. If the fiber gear on the camshaft is worn, it will have to be renewed. Unfortunately, this will mean renewal of the crankshaft gear also, as the gears are not available separately. The original equipment fiber gear was supplied to Volvo by Swag of West Germany. It was used in almost all model series. Since the original ones from Bosch are no longer available, it makes sense to use steel or steel aluminum wheels. But I was lucky enough to buy the original gears. Advantage: quiet running. Disadvantage: service life, approximately 100,000 miles, which nowadays is standard mileage to do the timing chain. If Volvo B18 and B20 engines have any weakness, it would have to be timing gear failure after high mileage. And I must say that Volvo B18 and B20 engines are designed so even if timing is completely upset, pistons and valves will not meet. Of course, Volvo engine is very reliable, but not expected to last forever. So, dear friends, I will show you what inside the box. Okay, open this box. Let's look. Timing gear, camshaft gear, fiber gear, Bosch. Okay, this is crankshaft gear made in West Germany, of course. Also seals, felt seal, old type, clip, rubber seal, thrust plate for the camshaft, bronze thrust plate holder for the camshaft, two screws. Okay. this is gasket for the crankcase cover. Crankcase cover gasket. Thanks for your attention.